Checking your transaction history on Capital One is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your account activity. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to your accounts. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab on the main dashboard. Click on it to view a list of all your Capital One accounts. Step 3. Select the desired account. From the list of accounts, select the specific account for which you want to check the transaction history. This could be a credit card, bank account, or investment account. Step 4. Access transaction history. After selecting the account, look for a section labeled Transactions or Activity. Click on this section to view a detailed list of your recent transactions. Step 5. Filter or search transactions. If needed, use any available filters or search functions to narrow down your transaction history by date, amount, or type of transaction. This will help you find specific transactions more easily. By following these steps, you can officially check your transaction history on Capital One. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Capital One customer support for assistance.